Hi, my name is Cheryl Bechet. I'm a generalist applications engineer out of Futures Connecticut branch. I just got out of an ST class this morning where we talked about machine learning and their new Nano Edge tool, which is amazing. It really takes care of all the little details and complicated details of doing machine learning and gathering data and getting the libraries and the algorithms set up so that you can determine what your data is telling you. This whole session has just kind of started for AEU. Having a great time reconnecting with everybody. It's been a long time since we've been able to see everybody in person, and it's just great to see everybody and get together again. I've been with Future for 18 years, so this is well, we used to go twice a year when I first started, but 18 years of AEU.
Hi, my name is Jim Coker, and I'm an applications engineer with Future Electronics based in Dallas, Texas. I'm attending my 8th AEU University where we learn more about our particular suppliers. I just got out of the Infineon learning more about their portfolio. I was very surprised at the breadth of their power products. It will help me immensely as I go out and visit customers and try to present their solutions.
Hello, good morning. I'm Hugo Letourneau. I'm the manager for the System Design Center at our corporate offices in Pointe-Claire, Canada. And I've been attending the Murata Wi-Fi and Bluetooth Wi-Fi and Bluetooth solution to mass market. And one thing that stood out was that they have 60% market share in terms of modules, so that's very interesting. Also, they make modules with the big chip manufacturers such as NXP, Infineon, and others. As well, they are into the Wi-Fi Bluetooth, but also LTE or different cellular solution, LoRa, 802.15.4, and more. And that really stood out to me.